Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application focused on the design domain. If you are a designer, you can't afford to miss it. Welcome to Usedong, the official Archmaster website. We have already started producing Archmaster video tutorials and will keep updating them on YouTube. Friends interested in Archmaster, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Previously, when creating renderings of the same scene with different weather and seasonal effects, we often had to use Photoshop to adjust colors and add background details, but this method is both time-consuming and difficult to achieve the desired effect. So the Archmaster team has created a tailor-made AI tool for weather and seasonal replacement weather season swap. It can directly change different weather and seasonal effects while keeping the main subject unchanged. Most importantly, as long as you are a registered user of Archmaster, you can use this tool for free without a subscription. Next, let's officially start this episode's video tutorial. Okay, let's begin. First, locate the AI Tools interface on the Archmaster homepage. Find the Weather Season Swap tool and click to enter. Upload a building rendering. Then, move your attention to the right side of the screen where you will see 3 versions available. Each version delivers distinct results. Here, we select the latest 3.0 version. In the Style Scene Type section, Archmaster offers 11 weather or seasonal styles for you to choose from. Feel free to pick any. Here, we select the winter style. In the description field, you can enter details for the generated image or leave it blank. Once all settings are ready, click the generation button. In a short while, a winter rendering will be generated. You'll see that the building shape and environmental elements remain unchanged, yet the entire scene is enveloped in a cold, wintry atmosphere. Snow blankets the roads, and the trees are adorned with white, enhancing the winter vibe. Using the same process, let's try other styles in the Style Scene Type section. Autumn winds sweep through, with golden leaves swirling in the air. Early spring bursts with vitality, bathed in bright sunlight. Grain rain brings abundant rainfall, creating a fine, drizzling atmosphere. At sunset, the setting sun paints the sky with warm hues. The aurora creates a dazzling, dreamlike display in the night sky. The rest of the styles also accurately reflect their respective weather and seasonal characteristics. Now, let's explore the effects of weather season swap on landscape images. Upload a landscape rendering, adjust the parameters, and click Generation. The AI generates an early spring scene, bringing vitality to the unchanged architectural environment. After switching the Style Scene Type to winter, the scene transforms into a harsh winter setting. The architecture and landscape take on muted tones, with thick snow covering the ground, eliminating the usual vitality and color. After switching to rainy day, water droplets glisten on leaves, and the ground reflects soft light, capturing the essence of a refreshing rain. Finally, here are some aerial city views transformed by different weather and seasonal settings. The dark night effect creates a serene atmosphere where skyscrapers emit a soft glow, wrapping the city in a gentle veil. The autumn effect paints the earth with a layer of brilliant gold for a perfect autumnal scene. That's all for this episode. Have you mastered weather season swap? Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section, and I'll respond to each one. Friends interested in Archmaster, remember to subscribe to our channel. I'll post the Archmaster website link in the comments for everyone's convenience. See you next time.